Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Klaviyo flows without breaking UTM tracking, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin transferring Klaviyo flows, first, access your Klaviyo account. Navigate to the Flows tab in your dashboard. Select the flow you wish to transfer. Click on that export option found in the upper right corner. Choose the format that suits your needs, typically JSON is preferred. Save the exported file to your computer. Next, open the Klaviyo account where you want to import the flow. Go to the Flows tab again in this new account. Click on the Import button located in the upper right corner. Select the file you previously exported. Before confirming the import, ensure UTM parameters are intact. Double-check that the UTM tracking links are correct. If needed, manually adjust the UTM parameters to match the new account's tracking setup. Once everything looks good, proceed to import the flow. After the flow is imported, test it thoroughly to ensure. Send a test email to confirm that UTM tracking is functioning properly. By following these steps, you can successfully transfer Klaviyo flows without breaking UTM tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.